Hola, Ms. Beth here with your instructions for today. Today, after you report your attendance, you're going to answer this question in the space provided, this text entry box. ¿Qué comes y bebes en el almuerzo? It has to be in a complete sentence. So you're going to say, yo como o como y bebo, and you put the items that you eat and drink for lunch. Then you're going to practice in your Quizlet for your quiz for today. And after the quiz, we're going to talk about our activity on Friday. I want to do a special activity on Friday because we're working with this foods unit and we're going to be cooking because, we won't have a Friday after the break. So we're going to use this Friday because we have class on Friday and we can get together and cook. So I'm going to tell you what to bring, what to have ready, and we'll be ready to cook. I'll see you in class. Adios.